Letting fresh air in shouldn't mean letting every mosquito in the neighborhood join you for dinner. I was tired of permanent screen doors slamming shut or flimsy nets that tear in a week. So I bought and tested the top 5 retractable and magnetic screen solutions, from high-end sliding systems to simple budget nets, to see which one actually keeps the bugs out while looking good. Product number 1, Aliexpress Brisa Double Retractable Screen, starting with the premium option, the Aliexpress Brisa. When I unpacked the aluminum housing, I immediately noticed how sleek the sandstone finish looked. It's designed for French doors, and the outer face mount installation meant I didn't have to cut into my existing door jambs. The best part is the easy glide track. I pulled it open and closed it dozens of times, and it never got stuck or derailed. It just glides. The screen fabric has subtle stripes woven in, which is genius because it stops you or your guests from accidentally walking right through it. It took me about 30 minutes to install with just a drill. If you have nice double doors and want a screen that disappears when you aren't using it, this is the most elegant solution I tested. Product number 2, Upgraded Retractable Baby Pet Gate. Now, if you need safety more than just bug protection, check out this retractable gate. It extends up to 55 inches wide. Holding the mesh, I noticed it's tough, much stronger than a standard bug screen because it's meant to hold back kids and dogs up to 40 pounds. It retracts completely into a slim roll when you open it, so it doesn't clutter your walkway. I tested the locking mechanism at the top, and it's secure enough that a toddler won't figure it out, but I could still operate it with one hand while carrying groceries. It works indoors and outdoors. If you have pets that bolt out the door or stairs you need to block off, this gives you safety and airflow in one package. Product number 3, Davo Magnetic Screen Door. For a budget-friendly quick fix, I tried the Davo Magnetic Screen. This is a simple mesh curtain that hangs over your doorway. It felt incredibly light, and I installed it in minutes using just the adhesive hook tape, no screws required. The magic here is in the middle seam. It's lined with 34 magnets, so when I walked through with my hands full, it snapped back together instantly behind me. No gaps for flies to sneak in. I watched my dog run through it, and it sealed perfectly every time. It's removable, so I can take it down in winter. If you are renting or just want a cheap, effective way to keep bugs out of a balcony or kitchen door, this is the best value. Product number 4, EasyIGO 120-inch Retractable Gate. This EasyIGO gate is massive. It extends to 120 inches, which is perfect if you have an extra-wide opening like a garage or a large deck entrance. When I inspected the mesh, I saw it was reinforced with fiberglass rods and metal pull rings, which prevents curious dogs from crawling underneath it, a huge problem with other wide gates. Like the smaller gate, it has a one-handed locking operation. I stretched it across my entire patio opening, and it didn't sag in the middle. It retracts cleanly out of the way when you want the space open. If you have a huge area to section off and standard gates are just too small, this extra-wide retractable wall is the only one that will do the job. Product number 5, Flux Phenom Magnetic Screen Door. Finally, I tested the Flux Phenom. This feels like the heavy-duty version of the magnetic curtain. The mesh is finer than the budget models, with tiny wormholes that block even those microscopic gnats. I counted 52 magnets sewn into the seam, way more than the others, which means the seal is incredibly tight. My favorite part was the installation kit. It uses a really thick, strong adhesive tape that didn't peel off my door frame even after a few windy days. It has no visible vertical lines, so the view outside is clearer. If you want the convenience of a magnetic walk-through screen but need something durable enough to handle heavy traffic and tiny bugs, this is the premium choice in that category. So for a permanent, high-end look on double doors, the Aliexpress is unbeatable. But for a simple, hands-free bug blocker, that Flux Phenom magnetic screen is surprisingly tough. I've left links to all 5 options in the description below so you can check the sizes and current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.